go.
John, you were recording the entire time! Oh my god.
Your fault! Your fault! You caused this physics!
You have to redo your Netto scene if we end up like this. Because I'm over here, not over there. Yeah, but... Go! Wait! No close! Fuck you! Get loose! I'm bored! Are you okay?
You squashed my toe!
Put your wig on, then we're gonna see if you two like in pain.
Did you like sweat?
Where does it hurt?
My knees hurt. They're bleeding.
Okay.
Yeah, like right
There.
Okay.
That's fine,
Okay.
Luke. That's fine.
My name's not Luke.
Damn it, I did it again. Why am I thinking of Luke? Okay, try that again. Like, don't.
I thought that was part of
You
the
like
script.
him better than me.
Go.
Luca, no, let's go back home.
What? Go do something.
That's when people used to ride dinosaurs for fun.
Whatever.
Whenever you're ready.
I'm ready.
Keep going, keep going. Just go. Let me get a little bit closer. Let me get a little bit closer, Rosie. Come here. Good?
That's when they come out now.
Hey, girl.
Not all.
Oh. What happened to you?
Parkour.
Oh. Really?
Yeah.
Where is the part about you getting the pictures developed?
Yeah.
You have to say that to me.
No, you.
You were supposed to start that.
Oh, okay.
You were supposed to ask if we could do so you could get your
joke there.
Wait, what's a solo site?
It's something you find.
Where do I find a soul?
On eBay, I don't know.
Where's eBay?